Greetings everyone. So if you're into IT or you have a knack for opening devices, stuff like PlayStation or any other device, right? If you like to get into your remote control devices or your hobby devices or anything that's small and minute, and it has these special screws, then you need a tool set that can handle any kind of screws, right? And I have that particular tool set for you because I personally use it not just for my job, but also for things that I have in my home. So let me introduce you to it right now. It's made by STREBITO. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, all right? But there's the name on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. It's a precision screwdriver set. It's a set that has 191 piece multi-bit screwdriver. You can use it to repair your computer, your iPhone, your laptop, your PC, any other cell phone, PlayStation game set, Xbox, Nintendo, whatever. So if you like to get into those devices and even look at it, because I know when I was young, I like to pull things up just to look to see what's on the inside, put it back together and make sure it's still working fine. I've done that to all kind of devices, right? Now I use this tool set to actually go into the computer and fix stuff. And there's some devices that has these special screws that you can't just use a regular screwdriver, Phillips or flat to get inside of it to fix that problem. You know what I mean? So let's get into this box right now and see what's on the inside. It comes in a nice pouch. Of course, you always get some paperwork that comes with it. And, you know, it says you can use it to repair your glasses, drones, home appliance, furniture, bike, automotive stuff, laptop, cell phone, computers, gaming system. All right. So, like I said, it's a multi-tool set right here. So, as we remove it from the box, there it is. It's in a nice pouch. So it's going to keep all your stuff nice and secure. The Velcro is going to lock it in, so stuff is not going to fall out everywhere. And as you open it up, as you can see, it's got compartments for all kind of tool set. Look at this stuff. Look at all these different tools for whatever job you want. Even the pin to take out the SIM card out of your phone. All right, so you can remove the SIM card and replace it with another SIM card if you need to. It's got a suction cup mount, right? All of this stuff. Look at this. Different tools for whatever task that you need. All right. You can get into the crevice of things by using the chisel type tool. So I'm saying you can get in there. So when you get on this side now, you see all the different bits. And by the picture, you can tell whatever bit that you need. It even has a number. So depending on the kind of screws that you're trying to undo, there is a bit number that you can go by. It still has the regular ones, the Phillips and the flathead. But if you need a special bit to open up a particular device that you don't have a Phillips or a flathead that can handle it, then there you go. That's one set. If you open it up some more, you get another set. All right, so look at all of this. This is IT's guy's dream right here because we deal with a lot of different devices that have different screws that you can't get into. You cannot get into. So look at this set right here. All right, so this is what you have. This, and then you still have these right here. These are your regular screws. And then you have some flathead screws and you still have some special bits if you need them to get into stuff. So all of this is right here. And then all you have to do is just grab one of these bits, load it up, and then you're good to go. It's time for you to get to work. You can open this up on top, load some up in there if you need to, all right, to make it easy for you to carry it around. So if you need to carry a couple of these bits and you don't need the entire set, you can load it up in this top part right here. All you have to do is unscrew it, put them in there, and travel with it all by yourself without the entire set. So there you go. This is what it looks like. Make sure you put the bit back in whatever position you get it in, so you'll know where you got it from and where it needs to be. There's anti-static, because you don't want to zap your device if you got a lot of static charge built up inside of it. And then you have cleaning cloth. You know, this is good for your screens, your cell phone screen, your laptop screen, any kind of screen like that. And then look at this. This is a magnet mat. So when you start removing screws from your devices and you want to keep up with the screws, you drop them on this magnet mat. All right, so they won't roll off anywhere. That's also included. You see what I'm talking about, this set? It's a great set to have. Now this driver goes with this set of tools right here because they're smaller and they fit into this groove. It's magnetic, so as soon as you slide it in there, it's not going anywhere. So you don't have to like tighten it in there or screw it into where it falls and it just snaps in there and it snaps back out. But this driver goes with this set of tools. And if you want an extension pieces, you got this right here, right? You drop this in here, you grab one of the bits, drop it in here, and now you got an extension that's flexible. So you can get around certain spots and still make that nice turn, because this is going to turn regardless of the position it's in. See, it's still turning. So that's what this piece is for. And when you flip this over, this driver go with this set of tools. So if you're looking for a tool set that can open up any kind of device, then you need this right here. We're talking about 191 pieces in this thing. You know what I mean? Of course, a lot of other things is included, like the cleaning cloth, the mat, and the static charge, and all this other stuff. But the bits is loaded, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's 3 sets on each side. 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a lot. You know what I mean? You're not lacking for any kind of bits right here. So there you go. That's what I wanted to introduce to you today, right? You can Velcro it and carry it around with you. It's nice and portable, not too heavy, you know what I mean? See, you can carry it in one hand, but you can toss this in your book bag. You can toss it in your work bag, whatever you want to toss it in. Toss it in your back seat. Okay, so if you're looking for a tool set that can get the job done, you know what I mean? Any kind of job that you have facing you right now, then I want to recommend this to you. This is my personal set right here. I purchased these. This wasn't sent to me by any company. All right. Normally I do a review on products that company sends me, but I personally purchased this and I just want to recommend it to you. The link is in the description for this particular set. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.